I'm Sherry Calbon, known as the Healthy Gourmet.
Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today we have a really special episode for you. We are going to test this 1994 George Foreman grill. Their slogan was, I'm just looking it up here, was the George Foreman Lean, Mean, Fat-Reducing Grilling Machine. Came out in 94. Jamie's had this for roughly 25 years. And we're gonna do a burger challenge up against this brand new Ninja indoor grill that we have done a review on. Check it out if you haven't seen it so far. So the plan is going to be to preheat these two grills, throw on 4 frozen patties on each, and to see what the results are. I do want to draw your attention to this lovely drip tray, which we thought was quite funny. After doing a little bit of research, they've actually re-released a newer version of the Foreman grill. It's actually available. So we think that we may buy one and see what it's like. So I'm gonna get this plugged in. I will say that the Foreman grill has no on and off switch, no temperature controls, no timers, no nothing. It's either on or it's off.
It does have a light.
It does have an indication light. And Jamie, while warming this up, you close the lid, I'm assuming? So we will close the lid on this. This here we will set to grill high, and we'll just, oh, I turned it off. We'll set it to grill high, and we'll start warming that up. So we'll be back in a few minutes after these have had a chance to warm up, and we'll throw our burgers on. Okay, we are preheated. I must say the Ninja took 7 to 10 minutes probably. We didn't really time it to preheat. The Foreman was at least twice as fast. So we've got our 8 burgers here. Angus burgers. So let's open this up, and the Ninja's telling us to add food. 4 burgers there, and we're gonna set that for 12 minutes. And Jamie did draw to my attention that they suggested medium heat on that. And let's go with the Foreman. All right, listen to the sizzle. Well, I know, because we've cooked with these before, that halfway through the cook time on the Ninja, it will tell us to flip, and we'll flip all the burgers. Okay, so we are almost halfway through our cook here, getting close to the 6-minute mark. Jamie brought up a good point, which is kind of cool about the Foreman. It actually grills both sides of the burgers, so technically, I guess you don't need to flip it. I just got the chime here that's telling me to flip. So I'm gonna try to do that here. Nice looking burgers. I will say that our American friends, I know we have a lot of fans in the US, they like to cook their burgers generally a lot less than you do here in Canada. In Canada, I believe it's like some sort of FDA rule that they have to be cooked well done. I am gonna have to walk around here so I don't burn myself. Let's have a look at these. Oh yeah, Foreman grill. So funny, it looks like the top half was actually cooked, or at least stronger grill marks than the bottom half.
Yeah, I would rotate them maybe.
Okay, Jamie's a bit of a Foreman pro here. Been around the pro a long time, or the Foreman grill a long time. How's that, Jamie? And we'll close that up. Oh, listen to that. So the Foreman grill did not have what they call smokeless technology, as you can see here. The Ninja grill portrays to have smokeless technology, and I would say for the most part, it appears to be smokeless. So that's one factor. I did turn on a ceiling fan and open up a couple windows here so that we don't have a smoke detector going off, although that would be funny in the video. But you can tell that this is smoking pretty good. All right, so we are 11 minutes into our cook. We had a quick peek at the Foreman, and I would say that those are done. The turn-off process for the Foreman is just unplug it, and I would say it's pretty fair to say that these look done as well, so we're gonna turn that off. And I'm sure we'll have some naysayers saying, oh, you guys cook your burgers too long or whatever, but it's just how we roll here in Canada. So can I do this with my left hand? These look a little on the dry side, Jamie.
They do. They also look thinner.
Well, given the huge amount of grease that came out of the Foreman grill, I would say that they appear to be smaller for sure. All right, so that's your burger. So what we're gonna do now is just simply dress a burger, ketchup, mustard, whatever, do a cutaway on each and try them out. as I said, I was just gonna simply dress burger, mayo on the bottom, ketchup, mustard, Ninja burger here, Foreman Grill burger here. Very simple buns. So let's just cut these, and maybe we'll start with good old Foreman. So, cut away. Burger's definitely cooked. Tastes very good, but definitely a little, could have went a couple of minutes shorter. In fairness to the Foreman Grill, I think maybe we cooked them a little on the longer side. So the Ninja, you can see definitely a little bit more meat on the bone, as they say. So the Foreman obviously is just quicker of a cook. It is superior, but I don't think it's because of the Ninja. I think it's just cooked better, or at least to our standards. This was slightly overcooked. As far as indoor grills go, and as far as cooking burgers, if you live in the white north here like we do in Canada and you don't want to go out in minus 35 Celsius to barbecue burgers, very good alternative. As far as this 25-year-old beast, you can see the humongous amount of grease almost overflowing that huge pan. Maybe that's part of the reason why they're reduced in size quite a bit to the Foreman or to the Ninja. I think a couple minutes less on the Foreman would have been ideal, but still really good. So for something that is pretty simplistic in design, that's been around for so many years, and what did I read earlier? Jamie said it's sold over 100 million units.
I believe so.
Insane. Whoever invented this is a genius. So the cleaning aspect, Jamie tells me, because I've never owned a Foreman grill, is that he would re-plug this back in to warm up the grill and then would basically wipe it down. None of the grill does not come out. I know the newer model of the Foreman grill, they have removable grills. The Ninja grill, a little bit more involved. This tray comes out, the grill comes out, everything goes into dishwater or dishwasher, correct, Jamie? Dishwasher safe. Could be a little bit more involved in cleaning, but has the dishwasher option. So that's our video. We wanted to run the old Foreman grill head to head with the newer version of an indoor grill, the Ninja. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.